another package. I think this is the brake reservoir for my R1 project. eBay purchase. I think $9 free shipping. US. This was US shipping, so it's not from outside. Didn't came from China. This one came from California, and this is the. I think it's a red brake reservoir. I'm gonna do a lot of match. Gonna open the package and show you the quality. This is just basically the wrap for the package, and this is actually the package itself. This is Ride It Forever. I don't know what kind of brand is that, but I think it looks kind of cool. The red, because I'm gonna do a lot of red and gold accents on the bike. So we're gonna go from there. Gonna open it. So it comes with the hose. Ready to install, but I'm not gonna use this ones because honestly, these ones don't work, and these ones will rip off really quick. They will break. So don't use this ones. Use the original one or buy some other type of hose. This is the reservoir itself. It's red, anodized red. Comes with a bracket, cap itself, the cover for that, for the reservoir. And what else? Two clamps and a small bolt, Allen bolt, so to install goes on the bracket itself. So yeah, basically this is it. This is another little purchase that I did. $9, free shipping from California. I think it's a pretty nice looking reservoir for the bike. It's gonna look good. It's gonna give a nice look to the bike. So yeah, I'm gonna do another video, another stuff that's coming over, and I'll show you all the stuff that I'm buying from eBay, so you can check it out and maybe try it on your own bike. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.